The video will demonstrate removing the Apple bracket to reduce and prevent green ear failure. Let's prepare an Apple screen first. Squeeze of liquid crystals mainly causes green ears at the root on both sides of the screen. So we dismantled the bracket in the following way. Heat the screen sufficiently first. Use sharp side cutters. Cut directly at the position of the screen bangs. Use a 0.8 feeler gauge to cut the double-sided bracket tape. Add alcohol to both sides of the bracket and gently break the bracket. Continue to add alcohol with a feeler gauge. Slowly tuck in from the bottom of the screen where the touchline is. Gently slide the feeler gauge to the right. The feeler gauge should not exceed the position of the touch cable. Control the bracket at a 45-degree angle above the diagonal level. Push back. There is a 100% guarantee that no green ears will appear.